Hello, this is David with Advent Digital, and I'm going to be looking into simplybetterplumbinganddrain.com, a plumber in Phoenix that is honest, reliable, and reasonable. Make us your plumber. Honest. Free means free. Our estimates are really free. We stick to our estimates. No whoops, we went over by $400. We arrive at the appointed time, or we call to notify you of a delay. Reliable. We are plumbers, not salesmen or conmen. We do the job correct the first time. Reliability saves you time and money. Reasonable. In a market in which charging 4 times the reasonable rate is practiced daily, we offer the reasonable rate all day, every day. We practice the golden rule with you. Please call 480-993-2230 or visit simplybetterplumbinganddrain.com. We have a $50 off sale on any of our services. Thank you.